Okay, this is that blown-in foam insulation. It's 4 inches thick, or thicker even in the roof line. 6 inches or more. Depends on if the boards are, ones in the roof are like 2x6s, so it's 6 inches thick of foam insulation. And in the walls it's 4 inches thick for the 2x4s, and as you can see, this is back into the washroom, north end of the house, and of course they didn't spray where the door openings will be. We've got to put another door here, and all the walls and the ceilings. This goes back into the bathroom, the big bathroom, and there's your real thick foam in the ceiling. So our light bill should be very reasonable in this house. This is looking back from the north end, from the breezeway area down the hallway. As you can see, it is very well insulated all the way on the outside walls. Here is the guest bedroom. And again, you can see the insulation is really thick up in the ceiling in the attic area. Into the living room area and dining area. You can see that it is very well covered. It's back into the kitchen and the dining room. And around the front door. This is in the over the kitchen and living room area, dining area, that you can see comes even deeper than 6 inches, because it comes all the way down through the attic to the cathedral ceiling area. So you can probably see that in certain places where the foam, where it doesn't come all the way down to the cathedral ceiling. You can see what I'm talking about. I mean, it's really, really thick in these areas. I think this will be like living in an igloo cooler, a very, very well insulated igloo cooler. Here we have into the master bedroom. And up into the attic area. These people did a really good job. Garland Insulating Company out of Tyler did this, and we were very well pleased with the job they did. And they were reasonable, in my opinion. And that stuff is like hard. It dries within 3 minutes, we were told. And as you can see, if you walk up here, you can hit it. It's like hard foam when it's dry. Very good.